Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing washcloth. It is very soft and amazing to wash your face with. It does have a 50% cotton, 50% bamboo blend, and it is amazingly soft and squishy, great for washing your face. For today's tutorial, we will be using this Universal Yarns Bamboo Pop. It is 50% cotton, 50% bamboo. It comes with 292 yards in each of the balls. It is a lightweight number 3, and the color that I'm using today is Blue Whisper. If you look in the description box down below, I will have alternate yarns that you can use instead of this. I will be also using a size D 3.25 millimeter hook. You can use slightly larger if you would like, but to get the effect of this washcloth, I am going to be using the smaller size with a size 3 weight yarn. So let's go ahead and get started. To begin, we are going to start with a slip knot. If you do not know how to make a slip knot, I do have a tutorial in the link down below. We are going to chain up 30 chains. Go ahead and do that and meet me back at the end, and I will go on to row 1 with you. Once you have made your chain of 30, we are going to yarn over and double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So skipping 1, 2, 3, and here's the 4th chain. We are just going to double crochet into that stitch. There we go. And this chain 3 is not going to count as a stitch. So this is going to be our first stitch. And then we're just going to simply work a double crochet in each of the chain stitches all the way back to the other end. Go ahead and do that, and I will meet you back at the end of row 1, and we will go on to round 2. Here I am at the end of round 1, and let's go ahead and double count our stitches. Remember, the chain here at the end does not count as a stitch, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 stitches. So moving on to round 2, we are going to chain up 1 and turn our work. And in that very same stitch, we are going to put a single crochet. In the next stitch, we are going to do a single crochet, and we're just going to continue to do 1 single crochet on top of the previous double crochets all the way across till the end of round 2. So you will have 27 single crochets at the end of round 2. I will meet you back, and we will move on to round 3. As we get to the end of row 2, we want to make sure that we finish off with 1 single crochet at that last double crochet. We are not going to work into the chains. So now we're going to chain up 3 and turn our work. We're going to double crochet right back into that same stitch and into every stitch across. So go ahead and do that, and I will meet you back for round 4. For round 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, we are going to chain up 1 and turn our work and single crochet into that first stitch and all the way across. So now we are just going to repeat these 2 rows, a single crochet and then a row of double crochet, chaining 1 when you do single crochet, and chaining up 3 when you are on a double crochet row. Go ahead and do that for a total of 30 rows. Here I have made it to the end of my 31 rows. I ended up doing 31 to end on a double crochet. So to begin the border, we will chain up 1, turn our work, and work 1 single crochet into that first double crochet. We will then work our next stitch in the single crochet row. We will also put a single crochet into the next double crochet. So now we're working along the edge of our work. We will put another single crochet in that single crochet row. So if you take a look from the side angle, you can see where the single crochet and where the double crochet rows are. So just go ahead and continue to do this down the side of your work, doing a single crochet in each of the single crochet rows and a single crochet in each of the double crochet rows. We're going to work this evenly across to the other end, and I will show you how to work the corner. Here we are approaching our corner, and to make sure that we can work around to the other edge, we are going to want to put 2 single crochets at the corner right there. So 1 single crochet, 2 into the same stitch, just like that. And then we're going to move across and single crochet across the top or the bottom part of our washcloth. So it's that simple. We're just going to go ahead and single crochet all the way across. When we get to the other edges, we will want to do the same thing. 2 single crochets into each of the corners. Go ahead and do that, work to the other side. And here we are. We have done all corners of our washcloth. It is so beautiful with the double crochet and the single crochet row. It works up really quite nicely. So let's go ahead and cut that yarn, draw up a loop, and pull it tight. And go ahead and make a knot when you get done. Next, you will want to sew in your ends, so go ahead and grab yourself a tapestry needle and sew those in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. This bamboo cotton yarn makes unbelievable face wash.